Dude.
What's up?
What was that?
That's my high-speed get-off.
Yeah, that was nice. Yo, we got a box.
Oh, nice. Exciting.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Cart Life TV. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a special episode for you today because we got a gift in the mail. All right, guys, so we got a gift in the mail today from our good friend Chris Stephenson over at Cargo Caddie. He's the owner and inventor, and he heard about our project and our trip to Key West, and he wrote us this nice letter. He said, from all of us here at Cargo Caddie Company, wishing you guys great success and lots of fun on your long-distance Florida run in the golf cart. We certainly hope that our Cargo Caddie will come in handy for you, and most of all, stay safe. Awesome, man. Thank you so much, Chris. We appreciate you, man. Let's check this thing out because this thing looks like it'll really come in handy for our trip to Key West.
Heavy duty. Awesome.
Heavy duty. All right, so Joe's behind me installing this Cargo Caddie, and the first thing I noticed about it is how well it's really made. Nice metal tie downs, super heavy duty plastic. The thing is great. It's not lightweight at all. I'm impressed with it. It's super easy, under a minute, and we're gonna use this thing all the time when we travel. Hold lots of gear, and we're really grateful. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it. All right, this Cargo Caddie is a really, really impressive device. It is super rigid plastic. It's got some really nice hardware on it. And the great thing about this Cargo Caddie is you could install this thing literally in about a minute. It can go on any flip seat. We're putting ours on a Mad Jax 250, and it is extremely simple. Check out Joe installing this thing. 2 straps underneath the seat with some really nice metal tie downs and some Velcro straps on the corners, and this thing is not going anywhere. And it's great because you can put all your gear in it without having to worry about it flying off while you're running down the road. We really like this thing, Chris. Thank you so much. If you are in the market for a Cargo Caddie, check out their website. Very reasonably priced for what you're getting, and it's really, really well made. We're super impressed with it, and we thank you, and we hope that this thing lasts us a long time. We're going to use it every time we travel. Chris and everybody at Cargo Caddie, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Chris, and everybody there. It's awesome.
We appreciate it. We're going to use it on our long distance trip to Key West coming up soon. Thanks again.
Stay tuned.